Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to change the position of address bar from top to bottom in Chrome or Edge browser for Android. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you by opening the Chrome web browser. So by default you can see the address bar is showing up on the top position. So in order to change this position of this address bar on your Chrome web browser, what you need to do is just click on these three dot icons and just click on the settings. Now you will see here address bar, just click on it. Now select this bottom and move back. Now you can see the address bar is appearing in the bottom positions. So this is how you can do on your Chrome web browser. Now let's jump to the Edge web browser. Just open the Edge web browser. So similarly, in order to move the address bar from top to bottom, what you need to do is just click on these three horizontal lines. Now click on the settings. Now click on this appearance and layout. Now just click on this address bar. Now select this bottom, move back. Now you can see the address bar has been moved to the bottom. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily change the position of address bar from top to bottom in Chrome or Edge browser for Android very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.